How to contact HelloFresh customer service. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can contact HelloFresh customer service. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. How to contact HelloFresh customer service. If you want to contact customer service at HelloFresh, what you do is first you just open your browser and type in HelloFresh customer service. Now there are two ways to contact them. One is you can use their email, which is hello@hellofresh.com, or you can call them at this particular number to speak to a customer care representative. So you can pause this video and call down that particular number, or you can use this email. Or otherwise, you can also go to their contact us page that you can see, and you'll be able to contact them right from their web page as well. So these are the ways on how you'll be able to contact the HelloFresh customer service. You can directly call them, or you can send them an email if you're not in a rush. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.